above where the condor flies, where the earth meets endless skies. The river sings as it weaves and wins, a song of freedom that never dies. Feel the wind call your name, feel the earth play its game. With every step you're part of the land, bound by the touch of its ancient hand. The clouds embrace the